Good everyone, I am Pat Diaz and welcome to Understanding English Pronunciation. Today we are going to identify and use the Schwa vowel sound in some everyday words. Okay, let's begin. As I told you before, to pronounce the Schwa sound correctly, the focus should be principally on the unstressed nature of the sound rather than trying to pronounce the Schwa equally across syllables, words, phrases, and sentences. So don't force the pronunciation of the schwa, just relax and unstress not only the sound, but also the syllable the schwa is on. Let's work together on the first word. Across, across. So how many syllables? Correct, 2 syllables. Which one is the unstressed syllable? Okay, the first one. So the schwa sound should be present on the first syllable. Across, across. Example, they swam across the river. They swam across the river. Number 2, another, another. How many syllables? Correct, 3 syllables. Another. Which one are the unstressed syllables? Okay, the first and the last. So the schwa sound should be present on the first and the last syllable. Another, another. Example, let's do it another time. Let's do it another time. Next one, difficult, difficult. Where's the schwa sound? Perfect. The schwa sound is on the last syllable, on the syllabic O sound. Dif.fi.cult, difficult. Example, this is a difficult project. This is a difficult project. Okay. What about this one? El.e.phant, elephant. Well, this word has 2 possible pronunciations. One is El.e.phant, elephant, with the schwa sound on the last syllable, and the other possible pronunciation is El.e.phant, with the schwa sound on the second and the last syllable. So we have elephant, elephant, or elephant, elephant, elephant. Example, elephants travel in herds. Elephants travel in herds. Next word, however, however. How many syllables? Correct, 3. What is the schwa sound in this word? Okay, it's on the word ending er. However, however. Example, by then, however, was too late. By then, however, was too late. Next one, important, important. Good. The schwa is on the syllabic n sound. Important, important, important. Example, it's important for me to go. It's important for me to go. Very easy, this one. Never, never. Of course, the schwa sound is on the word ending er. Never, never. Example, I've never been to Europe. I've never been to Europe. What about this one? Opp.or.tu.ni.ty. Opportunity, opportunity. So, in this case, the schwa is on the second and the fourth syllables. Opportunity, opportunity. Example, this is a great opportunity for you. This is a great opportunity for you. Okay, very good. Next one, people, people. Yes, the schwa is on the second syllable. People. the syllabic hold sound, people. Example. Nowadays, people are always busy. Nowadays, people are always busy. Very good. Next one, question. Question. Okay, where is the Schwa sound? Correct, on the second syllable. Question. Question. Okay, example. That's a good question. That's a good question. Next word is together. Together. What is the Schwa sound in this word? To, on the first and on the last syllable. To.geth.er. Together. Example. Can we go together? Can we go together? Next one, understand. Understand. How many syllables? Correct, 3. So, where is the Schwa sound in this word? Perfect, on the second. Example. I do understand your point. I do understand your point. Yesterday. Yesterday. Where is the Schwa sound in this word? Correct, in the second syllable. Yes.ter.day. Yesterday. Example. He arrived yesterday morning. He arrived yesterday morning. Very good. Okay, that's all for today. Don't forget to practice. See you next time. Bye for now.